What's up guys, I'm here with another video back again, this time for real. So what I'm gonna go ahead and open right now, it's the new 3S system by Airlift. I have the whole kit except for the struts and the air springs. That should be coming by the middle of the month, just because I didn't went with Airlift Performance, but I went with a Japanese brand for the struts on the front and rear. I assume this is the tank. So let's pop it open. Let's open it here. Alright. Up here. Oh my god, the finish on this thing, since I picked the brush finish, it looks so sick. This is the 5-gallon tank. Oh dude, this looks so crazy, man. This is a face ported one. Face ports, no end ports, which is what I wanted. I wanted the face ports. This is the bottom one here. But now that I think about it, I should have picked the end ports, but it doesn't really matter. The 4 here and this one. I think it's gonna be a better finish for my car. And it looks so sick. Just look at it. The brushed aluminum, really freaking dope. The welds are pretty cool. And I like the best part, Airlift. Alright, let's put this in the car. I'm just gonna leave it in there for now. Box came a little beat up, but I also link. I'm gonna put the link at the bottom where I was able to purchase all of this. So bubble wrap. Okay, so I'm gonna take out this thing first. Okay, so I have the airlines. I ordered 1/4 inch. That's the airlines. I'm gonna put everything. Okay, so this seems to be the air trap here. Pretty cool. I'm gonna leave it in the box and put it in the trunk of the car. So we got this. Okay, so we got the fittings here for the tank. All the fittings. Pretty cool. Some are threaded already with Teflon tape. Okay, so this is... okay, so this is the compressor. Yep. You guys can read there maybe, I don't know. That's the air compressor. Let's, I'm gonna put my knife. Hold that up. So I have my knife here. So let's keep it in my pocket. So let's see. Oh my god. I do need also the my pocket. I do need also the silencer thingy, the stand to keep it quieter. I don't know what you call that. No. Right, okay. There, son. So here is the compressor. I went in with the 444C, the black one, the Via Air 444C air compressor. I'm not gonna take out the wrapper. You've probably seen the other videos or the package inside. Here it is. 444C. I don't know if you guys can see it better. Good. Let's see if it focuses. I don't know, but you guys, but it's a 444C, you saw it in the box too. I'm gonna leave it on the box. And let's see, what is this? Oh, this is the filter, I believe, with some fittings in there. Filter, fittings. Pretty cool stuff. think I'm gonna put this in here. And put it in the trunk. Just this. And now this is the 3S system. So you guys might be able to read. Let me see if I can get it to focus. But as you guys can read, this is 3S manifold. So let's open it up. Shit. Whatever. Alright. So it's the 3S system. This is the most important part because this is what will get you here. So this is the warranty, instructions, 3S, as you can see. 3S. I'm really freaking excited. There you go, 3S. This is really awesome. Okay. So you got these wires here. I don't know how to connect this one because it's very different from what I've seen online for the 3P. So you got this, and you got this, and that's all. In here, you get this, some things for the connections and stuff, which is pretty cool. But the harness is very weird. I don't know how to connect that harness. It seems also very, very short. And here we have the main unit itself, the manifold. I do have plans to make it look really nice and real sweet on the trunk. It says airlift here, front left, front right, rear left, rear right, tank, exhaust, and yes. Very cool, very cool. I'm taking the money like this with the tank at the back and the air compressor on the side. Pretty cool. I'll put it on the. But this is the airlift, the 3S airlift system, and it's pretty cool, pretty awesome, pretty heavy to be honest. But I'm gonna put it back in the box. I'll put it on the trunk with everything else, and I'm gonna go over tonight. I'm gonna go over the instructions. See how this thing goes. We're just gonna start it tonight. All the everything that comes in the airlift system. So I'm gonna keep the instructions with me tonight. Read them over and over and over and over. See how can this go on the trunk, and that's it. So if you guys like this quick unboxing of the 3S system from Airlift, just leave a like, subscribe. So I'm doing also an install on the car, and also I'm gonna show you what struts I ordered and springs, struts and air springs I ordered for the car. So just subscribe to my channel, give it a like, and yes, if you like the video, you're gonna see 3S and the suspension I ordered, air suspension, not airlift. It's going to be a Japanese air suspension. From when I contacted the manufacturer and the guys I bought it from. So I'm very excited for that. So yeah, subscribe guys, and